In today's fast-paced industrial landscape, efficiency, reliability, and adaptability are paramount. Portwell WEBS-89I0 helps accelerate the transformation of factory automation. WEBS-89I0 is a compact and robust DIN rail embedded system, powered by the Intel Celeron J6412 processor, which delivers exceptional performance and low power consumption. WEBS-89I0 is ideal for various applications. With its palm-size, rugged, and fanless design, WEBS-89I0 ensures stable operation in harsh or space-limited environments, such as factory or outdoor applications. WEBS-89I0 boasts a rich array of I/O interfaces, including 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, dual high-resolution display output, 3 USB ports, 1 RS-232, and 1 RS-485 ports. Additionally, it supports 5G and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity through expansion slots, ensuring flexible adaptation to diverse industrial requirements.